10 amazing foods which can reduce cholesterol quickly. Your body needs some cholesterol to work properly. There are two types of cholesterol, LDL and HDL. LDL is the bad cholesterol which is the threat for your healthy life. HDL is the good cholesterol. They exist in your blood in a specific amount which are not bad for you. But if the LDL level too high than the HDL level, then we call it high cholesterol, which is the cause of heart disease, strokes and blood clots. High cholesterol is the silent killer. Most of the cases people cannot realize about it until faces any complication like strokes or heart attacks. In this video, I will discuss about those 10 wonder foods which will really help you to reduce the bad cholesterol level. The first food is orange juice. Juicy orange is the superfood like as medicine for lowering your cholesterol level. People who are suffering from high cholesterol problem can drink orange juice because it can improve the blood lipid profile. Orange contains vitamin C, folate and flavonoids like hesperidin, which is very good for your blood. Eat a few oranges daily. Alternatively, drink 2 or 3 cups of orange juice daily. If you wanted to get result quickly, fresh extracted juice will be the good option for you. Almonds. Almonds can be simple dietary strategy to prevent cardiometabolic disease. Almonds will help you to reduce LDL cholesterol, prevent coronary disease by 3 to 19%. Almonds contain fiber, heart-healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which will help you to reduce LDL cholesterol and raise your HDL level of cholesterol. Keep some almonds daily in your diet list. Walnuts and flax seeds also help you to reduce high cholesterol. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is one of the best homemade remedy for reducing LDL. It contains high soluble fiber which is very effective to lower your LDL level. Oatmeal also help you to reduce cardiovascular disease and diabetes. It will protect bloodstream to absorb cholesterol. Having a bowl of oatmeal in the breakfast and using oatmeal with another food preparation will help you to reduce LDL level and high cholesterol. Green tea. Green tea may be one of the best medicine for lowering LDL level. A few cups of green tea will help you to reduce total LDL cholesterol level. Green tea will help you to prevent build of walls in the arteries and reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Green tea will help you to prevent the absorption of cholesterol with the bloodstream. If you can discover your high cholesterol, you should drink green tea at least 3 to 4 cups in a day. Salmon. Salmon is the fish which contains sufficient amount of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids is very essential contents for your body. Not only the facts of cholesterol but also it will help you to remove another health complication. Salmon provides protection against high cholesterol. It helps lower triglycerides and raise your HDL level. It will reduce the risk of heart attacks or any other heart disease. Your body needs some cholesterol to work properly. Salmon will help you to provide low cholesterol saturated fat. Baked and grilled salmon is the great option for you. Take twice or thrice in a week. Soybeans. Soybeans are one of the great contents to reduce LDL level. It will raise your HDL cholesterol which will help you to reduce LDL bad cholesterol. Soybeans contains high level of polyunsaturated fats, fiber, vitamin and minerals and low level of saturated fats which are very essential for your body as well as reducing high cholesterol from blood. Soybeans and other soy products like tofu, soy flour, edamame and enriched soy milk could be the great foods for the people who suffer from high cholesterol. It will be a source of protein for your body also. Avocado. Avocado is one of the wandering fruits of the nature. It is rich in protein, fiber, vitamin B complex, vitamin K, minerals, monounsaturated fats and many other contents. It contains plant sterols which is the properties to reduce high cholesterol. Monounsaturated fats raise the HDL level which help you to reduce LDL level. It will help you to reduce weight loss also. So keep an avocado daily in your diet list to reduce complication from your healthy life. Garlic. Garlic can be the safe and effective alternative to medicine of blood pressure and high cholesterol for many people. It can prevent blood clots, reduce the risk of heart disease and reduce blood pressure. Garlic is a superfood for reducing high blood cholesterol. You may take garlic in your empty stomach daily morning. It will help your stomach and many other parts of your body to work properly. You may take garlic in your salad, soup and with other dishes. Olive oil. A spoon of olive oil can save your life. Olive oil is rich in monosaturated fats, vitamin E and antioxidant. Monosaturated fat will help you to reduce bad LDL cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease and strokes. Vitamin E and antioxidant is very good for your health. It will help your healthy life to be happy. You may use olive oil as a replacement of other unhealthy saturated oil. Chocolate. Dark chocolate contains theobromine, which is responsible to raise HDL level. It is very effective to reduce LDL bad cholesterol level. Dark chocolate contains high level of antioxidants and flavonoids, which prevent the walls in the arteries and help blood circulation. It reduces the risk of heart attacks or strokes. Everybody has a dream of happy, healthy life, but some of the diseases, some of the facts create problems in a healthy lifestyle. High cholesterol is one of them. Keep away from it and lead a healthy, happy life. This is the 10 foods which will help you to control your blood cholesterol level. If you feel better, you may share this video with your friends. If you wanted to know more, feel free to write us. Visit www.healthandbeauty.com. Press subscribe button to join us with Health and Beauty.